Ever wondered how energy travels? Today, we embark on a journey into the world of waves. Waves are disturbances that transfer energy through space and matter. In our lesson, we compare two fundamental wave types, transverse and longitudinal. Transverse waves move perpendicular to a wave's direction. Imagine a rope tied to a fixed point. When you move the free end up and down, crests and troughs appear, much like ripples on water. These visible undulations demonstrate the classic behavior of transverse waves. Now consider longitudinal waves. These waves move parallel to their direction of travel. Think about a slinky stretched between two friends. When one person pushes and pulls the slinky, compressions and rarefactions form along its length, similar to sound waves traveling through air. This hands-on demonstration shows how energy compresses and disperses in longitudinal waves. Although both wave types transfer energy, the way particles in the medium move distinguishes them. In transverse waves, particles oscillate perpendicular to the energy flow, while in longitudinal waves, particles vibrate back and forth in line with the wave. Both types spread energy uniquely and are visible in everyday phenomena. Understanding these differences helps us understand everyday phenomena, from the shimmering surface of water to the sound of a friend's voice. By exploring these simple demonstrations, we open the door to the captivating principles of physics. Remember, every ripple and compression is a glimpse into the dynamic dance of energy. Dive into the world of waves and let curiosity guide your learning journey. Embrace the science behind every wave and spark your passion for discovery right now.